Onyancha.
Aba MCAbu obono magega yogotiani wani go baba waka chikura choko mochora omonogeri ibwe County Assembly awasiba mochora Dr. Philip Nyanumba machuki oyobaga gotiani wana kurira yogotia kobwatrana naba MCA bonsi naboigo abarayikorwase County ya Kisii eri kurwa bokorera borobu yagotia se abamenyi be County ya Kisii muri cyo itonde mo Stephen no roboti rwase nchira yubwikiranu
Asege karege tanganige bunge County ya Kisii nigaba MCA 52 no yo mobari me bunge yubanyorali bagalia bene lyo gwake kura na gochoro monogeli urara ebikaro bie bunge yabo eye maiga yabara bugotianigwa ekerogo kyobonogeli nigo kyabwatabaroneri 14 baganiti gochorwa sekerenge ekyo nonye nabo chikure chuchaganyirira mono chitara akwa gati yaba MCA bakora unomo MCA omasimba boss mairura mbabwa atamabole arengeto obwaki obwo bwe chikura amo namasakare yo gwaka chikure ekyo.
Is said that the serials are assigned to specific members so that when you call the member to vote, it is known that the ballot paper serial numbers 14, for example, was marked by Honorable Boss Mairura. That is the clarification that I want.
I have asked you to give me the facts how a serial number is against secret balloting.
Magega yobora ibene bwo mukarani bwe County ya Kisii James Nyauga chukure ekyo nigo chia kunaba MCA bubonsi oyomo asoyomo.
Kirage Anthony Okundi.
Magega yechukure choko baruna bakarani be bunge ya Kisii nigo Dr. Philip Nyanumba chorwo monageri bene magego konyora chikure 52 asare kubwati gwange na Eric Janganya oyonyora chikure 20 neyemo.
Zero is also a number.
Choswa Momanyi 0.
David Orioro Obuya 0.
Choya Laban Matoke 0.
Pursuant to standing order number 72, I now declare Dr. Philip Nyanumba to be duly elected as the Speaker of the County Assembly.
I, Dr. Philip Nyanumba, having been elected as the Speaker of the County Assembly of Kisii County.
Magiga yaba MCA gotianigwa omonogeli Nyanumba gotianigu na guchake gasia yebene nige bunge yubone iragendererie gasia ya sebikaro birabwati bie bunge yu ya gatatu inse yekatibe nyeyo mwaka wechiri bwibere na 10.
Honorable members, there being no further business, the House now stand adjourned.
Ko reporter Ndizi TV korwa se bunge County ya Kisii.